Hello guys, it's me again. Today we're going to review Hyper Gauss from Gamera. Actually first, just want to show you the picture of him. Kind of dark, kind of creepy if you ask me. There's a picture of him. Very hard to see. And it's green tag because it's Gamera. So yeah, this figure is really nicely detailed, even on the ridges. There's its fin thing, whatever you want to call it. Here's his rib cage. There's its wings. You can see his veins. I don't know if you can see that, but there it has like veins there. His veins running down everywhere. So yeah, that's just a good thing about the figure. So yeah. The only flaw that people complain about is this. If you can see that, it's like there's a thing, but that's supposed to support its foot so it can stand up. So yeah. That's the only flaw about the figure, but you know, his form to stand up, people. Okay, now size comparison. I don't know. Let's see how much meters he was. He was actually 85. I guess this is good enough, even though he's supposed to be a bit, pretty darn big. But, at least he's taller than him. Now, let's start our next figure. We're going to compare him with this guy again. I don't know. They were never with each other in the movie, but I guess this is okay, not really. So yeah. Next. No, he was flipping huge because they made him so damn big. Sorry guys. Yeah. Here's a tie. I didn't get to show you the tie. His history. He's like any other villain. He dies by camera. So yeah, that's really all. He dies. Blah. Like all the rest of the camera villains, they die. So yeah, not really a really. This figure, I'd recommend this to any Gamera, Hyper Gauss fan, whatever. So yeah, I'm just give him a 10 out of 10 because I don't see a major flaw except this, but that's just to make him stand up. So yeah, go Hyper Gauss. This is Death Ghidorah signing off.